So campaign sites now have the ability to access the domain settings page in the backend. So affiliate stores have always had the option to go in and take a look at domain settings, which allows you to assign a custom domain to that given site. This is especially useful if you're working with organizations or brands that have their own domain that they operate, and they may want to assign either that top-level domain or a subdomain to their DecoNetwork store that you're running for them. Campaign sites typically use either the default DecoNetwork store domains, which are Deco Apparel, Deco Printing, or you've also had the ability to add in custom global store domains, and you may have added your own custom domain to this list. So your campaigns could be mycampaign.myprintingshirts.com or whatever your custom store domain is. But it wasn't possible for a campaign to go in and, just like the affiliate store, say, I want my campaign to have this custom domain. And so now they have that ability. When you go in to manage a campaign site, you'll see that familiar domain settings option, which will allow you to either add a domain. It's also useful to edit the domain that was chosen during the campaign creation process. So without access to this page, it wasn't possible to edit the domain, which meant if you made a mistake during the campaign creation and you wanted to change that domain, it required you to essentially recreate the campaign from scratch. So this is the other benefit, is that if you do make a mistake, you can go back in and edit that change.